Hey everybody, this is Mr. Beckstrom, and I was asked a question in the forums, and this is number 9 from section 7.6, and it said, which of the graphs shown below is the graph of the polar equation? And it says r is equal to 3 cosine of 2 theta. So this is all one equation here, and we have 4 different graphs here. And, I mean, there's a couple of different ways we could do this. If you wanted to do a table and have your R and your theta and start looking for values and seeing which ones matched up, you could probably do kind of a process of elimination and start to try to see which ones it was not. But I think the easiest way to do this is just to go right to our calculator and just try to match it right up. And our calculator will do this pretty easily here. But the trick here is that we got to go into the polar form, which we could do really easily here. I've already put mine into polar form, so you just hit mode. And normally we're in the function here, and I've already changed mine, but you just go right over to polar, which is right there, and you hit enter, and you get out of there. And when you go into polar, when you hit y equals instead of y1, y2, so on and so forth, you get r1, r2. So normally, like in an equation where we solve for y, now we're solving for r's. And since this equation here has already been solved for r, just like in on the xy plane, we solved for y's, we're good. So we just put the other side of the equation over here. So that would be 3 cosine of 2 theta. So that would be 2. And then notice this variable button up here has the theta on it. So when we hit that, it doesn't put x anymore. It puts that theta there. Close parentheses, hit enter. And now I just want to do a zoom. We'll just do a standard again. And it pops us out a little graph here, and all I want to do is just match that up, and that would be this one right there. That's it. That's all there is to it. So all we need to do is be able to graph this in our calculator. All right, guys. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Thanks.